Here is the other Carrier Challenger air conditioner in my ounce complex. This one looks to maybe be a newer or older model because the fan blades are different. Looks to maybe be a 2-ton as well, just like the other one. I can't make it out that well. Either a 2-ton or a 2.5-ton. That logo right there. Good condition. Awesome little unit. And here's this Guardian. Oh, it has a rotary. I remember seeing this running once and it was super duper quiet. So anyways, yep, little video of this Carrier Span can. Thanks for watching.